gosh!
Complications occurring right now.
It is 6 p.m. and we're at our practice field, ready to test, and the fire alarm is going off. I repeat, the fire alarm is going off. See the fire truck outside? This is what hour is it?
6:30.
So it's 6:30 p.m. right now, and this is our robot on our practice field. This is Chassis B though. This isn't our actual robot. This is just our, it's Chassis A. They're named really confusingly, but this is just our practice robot. So it's 7 p.m. currently, 5 hours to go. We're wearing fabulous outfits, and we're at a practice field right now. Only programmers are here. And
we only got like 5.
Practice robot. Our real robot should be coming by 7:30, and the rest of our team should be here really soon. So it's currently 8 p.m.
Still
4 hours
strong.
left. So Nate, what's your programming update?
Programming's going really well.
Yeah, and the rest of our team was supposed to be here half an hour ago, but it's okay, they are. And they should be here soon, or we hope they are. But yeah, we'll talk to you next hour. It's currently 8:50.
And we have 3 hours left.
And 10 minutes.
And 10 minutes left.
And we'd like to welcome Sylvie for our technical update. Can you tell?
So our robot is here at the practice field now. And currently we have our lifting system and our doors and our reflectors and pretty much everything mounted. Although the shack has been taken off momentarily to be edited a little.
Are we leaving any parts of our robot off in that 30-pound thing?
Why yes, Alexa, we are. Great question. We're actually planning to hold back the collectors and the shack. It's to be decided whether we will have our wheels or our doors.
Thanks, Sylvie. We'll see you next hour.
10 p.m.
How do you feel right now?
I am a little discouraged because we just broke a saw.
The madness has taken hold.
Oh my.
When you guys have a break in what you're doing, can you tell me?
SS going up for the shot against the electronics. And she misses! What a bad shot! She's turning bright red, folks, as she goes for another and gets the rebound but fails to get it in. Another miss from SS. Slam dunk! And she still misses! Team 3504 gather in the majestic practice field. Look, a Rosie. Olympic Curling National Finals, America. That looks really close to mine. I feel really good about that SS. What do you think?
That looks pretty good. I don't know if Rush is going to be that, but
That was pretty recycle rushing.
It's 11 p.m. The drivers just practiced for 15 minutes.
we're finalizing our robot.
So the parts that we're withholding, we're taking off right now and putting on the last finishing touches.
Pretty good.
Okay, ready? 11:05 and Corinne is... What time is it?
11:15.
How much do you love this robot?
I love this one very much, but I need it more.
Yeah. What are you touching?
The robot's bagged
And tag.
It's been real,
It's been good.
but it hasn't been real good.